Hello, WeSo Health Tips fam. Welcome back to another episode of discovering easy, amazing ways to boost your health and well-being. Today, let me introduce you to a humble herb that's a staple in kitchens across the globe, oregano. But trust me, this tiny leaf carries some mighty benefits you wouldn't want to miss. Did you know that oregano's name comes from the Greek words oris, meaning mountain, and ganos, meaning joy? Together, they form joy of the mountains. How delightful! And historically, it's been cultivated in Greece since ancient times, where it was closely associated with Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty. This herb has been spreading happiness for centuries, both in flavor and health benefits. Now, when we think of oregano, the first thing that comes to mind is its warm, aromatic flavor. It's a must-have in Mediterranean cooking, seasoning classics like pizzas, pasta sauces, and Greek salads. But did you know there are different types of oregano? Greek and Italian varieties are prized for their bold flavors, while Mexican oregano has a unique citrusy note that pairs beautifully with cumin and chili powder. That's versatility in a leaf, my friends. Oregano is loaded with compounds like carvacrol and thymol that combat free radicals. Think of it as your body's natural shield against chronic illnesses like heart disease and cancer. Oregano's antimicrobial properties can tackle bacterial infections. In fact, oregano oil has shown promise in curbing yeast infections and even candida. Struggling with inflammation or digestive issues? Oregano's active compounds help alleviate bloating and promote better gut health. Its antimicrobial and antioxidant goodness keeps your immune system strong and resilient. Some studies suggest carvacrol may help lower cholesterol, making it great for heart health. Let's take this herb beyond cooking. One of my favorite ways to use oregano is brewing it into tea. It's a comforting, aromatic remedy for respiratory issues, digestive discomfort, or even a touch of inflammation. All you need is a few fresh leaves, some hot water, and voila, a healthful tea in minutes. Feeling adventurous? Try oregano essential oil. This tiny bottle packs powerful antibacterial and antifungal benefits. Remember, it's concentrated, so always dilute it before applying it to your skin. And speaking of skin, did you know oregano oil can help with minor irritations and infections? A real multitasker. Across the globe, oregano brings unique flavors to every cuisine. From Italian marinara sauces and Greek moussaka to Mexican enchiladas, it's a taste we can't resist. In Middle Eastern dishes, oregano is often a key ingredient in spice blends like za'atar. It's a culinary passport to flavor. Have you tried cooking with it yet? And if you love gardening, oregano is an easy herb to grow at home. It thrives in sunny spots and well-drained soil, whether in your garden or containers. Plus, it's a perennial, so it keeps coming back year after year. Talk about the gift that keeps on giving. So, there you have it, the herb that enhances dishes, supports health, and is a joy to grow. Oregano is more than a flavor, it's your ally for wellness. Try incorporating it into your meals, teas, and daily health routine, and let it work its magic. If you found this helpful, let us know your favorite oregano uses in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WeSo Health Tips for more health tips, recipes, and fun facts. Hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop. Stay healthy and happy, everyone.